This is Ride News Now. I'm Alison Haislip. Here's the latest in all things mobility. Big Bird wants you to know it's doing okay. No, not the beloved Sesame Street character, the scorned and mistreated electric scooter company. Bird has announced the Bird 2, a new scooter for its fleet that will get you up to 50% farther on a full charge and hopefully make it harder for you to destroy them. Self-reporting damage sensors, self-healing tires, an anti-tipping kickstand. No exposed screws for you to pull out and dismantle their beautiful new creations. It sounds like Bird is practically daring you. The Bird 2 is certainly a more robust design, and Bird really wants you to know they're done being bullied. So if you're a regular contributor to @BirdGraveyard, you might want to reassess your life choices, man. Have you ever seen the 1980s film Ferris Bueller's Day Off? If so, you'll understand the joy and excitement that can come from having your car valet parked. In Bueller's case, the car in question was a priceless Ferrari Roadster. Spoiler alert, the Ferrari eventually meets a cruel fate. Mercedes-Benz and Bosch may have taken inspiration from this cinematic gem when developing a completely human-free form of valet parking. Now available at the Mercedes Museum in Stuttgart, Germany, drivers simply use an app to speak to the automated parking system installed in the garage. Voila! Your car parks itself, then returns to you when needed, all completely devoid of carbon-based life forms who might dent or ding your prized ride. Mercedes says the system is simple to integrate into existing parking structures, and because it's so efficient, it could free up as much as 20% more space for vehicles. Gasoline and batteries are neat, but you know what the undisputed champ of power production is to this day? The almighty sun. But just like rockin' a rhyme, harnessing the power of the sun can be tricky. Tricky, 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 tricky. Thanks, Run DMC. Nonetheless, Toyota and the Japanese electronics brand Sharp are examining ways to do just that. The partnership has created a prototype Prius plug-in hybrid that is equipped with solar panels on the hood, roof, and rear of the car. While out driving and soaking up the rays, this Prius can run for 35 miles on electric power alone. That's a fairly sizable boost in range, especially when you consider that 35 miles handily covers the average American commute with room to spare. So pop on your shades, slather on the sunscreen, and catch some rays in your prototype Prius. For more tech news, join us over at Ride.Tech, and be sure to follow RideTechNews on your social platform of choice. Cal? My hair's not doing anything weird. Oh, while out driving. Great. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Also, head to Ride.Tech for stories, reviews, and more news.